Notion has recently launched Notion Mail, a new AI-powered email client designed to make managing your inbox smarter and more organized. Unlike traditional email apps, Notion Mail integrates seamlessly with your Notion workspace, letting you organize emails in a way that suits your workflow. One of its standout features is AI-powered organization, where the system automatically labels and sorts incoming emails based on your preferences. Whether it's recruiting emails, newsletters, or customer feedback, Notion Mail can create custom views so you only see the messages that matter most. Composing emails is just as smart. Notion Mail offers a rich text editor that supports Notion style blocks, like headings, bullet points, callouts, and even AI-assisted writing. You can also create snippets or reusable templates for common replies, making repetitive emails faster to handle. Integration with Notion Calendar means you can schedule meetings directly from your email, streamlining the process of managing appointments without switching apps. Additionally, Notion Mail supports offline usage on desktop and iOS, so you can draft messages even when you're not connected to the internet. However, there are some limitations to be aware of. Currently, Notion Mail only supports Gmail accounts, and some users have noted that switching between multiple accounts can be tricky. While it brings many productivity benefits, deep integration with Notion databases and advanced email features like shared inboxes, custom signatures, or mail rules are still in development. Despite these early-stage limitations, Notion Mail is a promising tool for Notion power users and anyone looking for a smarter, more organized way to handle their email. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and updates. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial, and leave a comment telling us which Notion Mail feature you're most excited to try.